Dua itu ini, satunya silk. Dah, ada Semias. Was planning to lay low here for a while, then head back. Kita kasih tahu ya kalau misalkan eh yang bisa direkrut-rekrut kasih tahu gue. Gue buta banget nih masalah ini. Suikoden yang ini. I went on in my way. Iya, nanti kalau misalkan lo inget atau apa, siapapun itu, who do you expect to pay you if you win this book? Aduh, pilek nih. Oh iya bener. Ayo lompat duluan, Mamet. Gila, bahaya juga ya. Ternyata harus dibuka dulu sama si Hotupa ini. Mamet udah mau loncat aja anjir. Terus will we try, will we? There you go with it again. If we don't try Citro Village, ain't gonna be Citro Village anymore. We ain't got any other choice. Gee, Mamet, why? What do you mean why? Do you want Citro Village to turn into another Sinus? No, that's not what I'm asking. Just shut up and listen, dummy. What the? I don't know how you feel about it, but I say we're still just kids. If somebody has to fight, my father and Dirk and the others grown ups in the village will take the lead. But here you are acting like you have to take charge for this battle, and I want to know why. Gee, Marika, is it because you have the mark of the stars now? Or is it because you feel like you owe our village something? If that's the reason, I can let you do this. Not when I'm the daughter of the elder, and not if I'm your friend. Whoa, Marika. Well, I never really thought about whether I owe the village something or not. Ini so bahasa Inggris banget gue. Belajar, guys. It was way, but don't you think I will? Right, just the way Mamet is beside it, and like I'm trying to fight all by myself. I asked for help, didn't I? Yeah, you're right. Sorry about that. That's alright. Well, Erwin Logan, Hotupa, you hear all that? Will you help us? Yes, of course. But Erwin, I might not be very much used in battle, but there must be something I can do to help you. You will need somebody to cook or treat in your restaurant. Let me help too. I've never been to Citro Village, but judging by the fine young people, it's a very good place. I don't want the likes of the other to have their way with a place like that. Well, I can very well be the only one to say no. But if the order gain too much power, we wonders will have a hard time doing business calmly in. Gee, everybody. Thanks, guys. We appreciate it. Okay, I'm going to go tell my father and the others. I'll be back soon. Wait, policeman. I'll go with her. Okay. Still. Oh, kita bisa nih.